Hello students, today discuss 11th standard chemistry basic concept IUPAC of organic compounds in the part hydrocarbons. So what is mean by hydrocarbon? Hydrogen plus carbon present. So carbon present in the name is called organic compounds. So carbon base name is also present in the hydrogen atom in based on the bond order based in the carbon plus hydrogen atom is given the hydrocarbon. So IUPAC name follow that the Latin 1 carbon present meth, 2 carbon present eth, 3 carbon prop, 4 carbon but, 5 carbon pent, 6 carbon hex, 7 carbon hept. The same functional group repeated the time is as the di-tri-tet, or the bond is also 2 times or 3 times increase. Double bond, triple bond is also used of the di-tri-tet. And next will be considered bond order based is the carbon 4 bond is also covalent bond is the bond order 4. If before the session or 10th standard you are discussed the bond order 4 and hydrogen bond order 1, oxygen bond order 2. So carbon bond order based on the 3 IUPAC. Carbon to carbon single bond is the alkane, carbon to carbon double bond is alkene, carbon to carbon triple bond is alkyne. So is based on the 3 concept is follow that the hydrocarbons apply. So hydrocarbon present the basic the formula carbon n time and alkane of the carbon n time, hydrogen 2n plus 2 times is the carbon to carbon covalent single bond 1 2 3 4 bonds is called single bond. IUPAC name suffix used of the ane and alkene formula is for hydrocarbon carbon n time, hydrogen 2n. It's the carbon to carbon single double bond present, carbon to carbon double bond, and alkyne carbon n time, hydrogen 2n minus 2 is the carbon to carbon triple bond. IUPAC used as the ine is apply of the alkane. First alkane, the short form used IUPAC in ane for suffix that formula in the short times carbon n H2n plus 2 is apply of n equal to 1 to 3 is apply for hydrocarbon n equal to 1. Above the equation apply formula 1 H2 into 1 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 carbon 1 hydrogen 4. So 1 do not inform that the molecular formula and molecular formula equal to CH4 and structural formula follow that. Structural formula apply is the methane. The structural formula carbon 1 high bond order already known. The formula is the single bond formula. So 1 2 3 4 hydrogen bond order only 1. So every single bond apply the hydrogen 1 2 3 4. So 4 hydrogen bond, hydrogen atom, 1 carbon atom. So based on the IUPAC used carbon based single carbon is meth, single carbon used meth, and suffix used of alkane, ane used also methane. So IUPAC name is called methane, molecular formula CH4, structural formula also here. IUPAC name is called methane, and next will be n equal to 2 apply. So formula Cn H2n plus 2. So step direct C to H2 into 2 plus 2 C2H6 is also here is the molecular formula. So C2H6 carbon 2 times easily IUPAC name 2 times is also eth. So eth. So already that formula apply single bond formula. So ethane easily name is identified ethane and apply to the structural formula. Structural formula. Next is time short term use of SF is called structural formula. MF use of molecular formula. IP used of IUPAC name. Structural formula. So first basic carbon atoms apply carbon to carbon, 2 carbon present in single bond. Next every carbon atom based on the bond order 4. So already that carbon 1 bond 2 3 4. Next already that carbon 1 bond 2 3 4. Hydrogens apply 1 2 3 1 2 3. So that carbon is present every carbon atom is a 3 hydrogen atom present is mentioned to the 2 methyl group attached. So IUPAC name used already known 2 carbon ethane. So short structural formula the carbon present of hydrogen atom mentioned CH3 bond CH3 is the short structural formula. So very important. Next apply n equal to 3 CnH2n plus 2 and C3H 2 into 3 plus 2 C3H 2 3s are 6 and 8 C3H8. So IUPAC name easy 3 carbon prop or prop and single formula apply alkane propane is a IUPAC name and structural formula. So directly entered carbon 3 carbon entered carbon to carbon single bond and every carbon atom single bond attached. So 1 2 3 4 that carbon already 2 3 4 1 carbon that carbon 2 3 4 bond order entered and hydrogen is also entered of the structural formula. Hydrogen is entered the structural formula. The short structural formula is the CH3 CH2 CH3 is the short structural formula used. N equal to 4 is directly entered the formula C4 H2 into 4 plus 2 C4 H10. So already increasing to the center of methyl group increase. So CH3 directly short structure used and CH2 group only increased. CH3 last final to carbon front and last final to carbon atom is a methyl group CH3 group. The center of the CH2 group methyl attached. So hydrogen 4 carbon carbon 4 atom present, hydrogen 3 5 7 10 present. So IUPAC name 4 carbon but and all carbon present of the hydrogen atom is a single bond. So N. So homework follow that n equal to 5 6 7 and next apply to alkene. So alkene formula CnH2n H2N. So basic concept, carbon to carbon double bond and other carbon to attach a single bond. So carbon to carbon double bond is a basic concept. So N equal to 1 not possible. So N equal to 2 apply. So C N position 2 and 2 into N position 2. So C2H4. The two carbon based carbon to carbon double bond and other position every carbon atom already 2 bond is a single bond. So 1 2 3 4 hydrogen atom apply CH2 double bond CH2. So eth 2 carbon eth same possible. So double bond means IUPAC used a ene. So eth ene. So next N equal to 3 apply. N equal to 3 CnH2n formula alk ene formula. So double bond. So N equal to 3 C3H 2 into 3. So equal to C3H6 C3H6. So first already entered known for carbon atom entered 3 carbon. So right to left is the IUPAC name used first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. So first carbon only entered double bond. First carbon entered double bond. So other carbon single bond follow that. So possible that carbon single bond, second bond, third bond, fourth bond. So center of the carbon atom already 1 2 3 bond here, only one bond, and that first carbon is a first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. The first carbon is a already double bond and 1 2 3 4 bond. So hydrogen atom enter 1 2 3 4 5 6. So short structural formula CH3 single bond CH, in the short form is a single bond CH, double bond CH2. So 1 2 3 IUPAC 1 the position present is the double bond. The IUPAC 3 carbon prop 1 first carbon present is the double bond 1 ene. The second possible that double bond is also here isomerism, the position and functional isomerism. So possible second possible isomerism, consider the second carbon you have used of the double bond. See the same structural formula 1 2 3 4 and 1 and 1 2 3 4. So apply to the hydrogen atom. The short structural formula, the reverse isomers CH2 double bond CH and CH3 is the second isomers product in IUPAC name used to the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon is a second carbon atom present to the ene. So 3 carbon prop also same, but second carbon atom double bond present, so 2 ene. So double bond name is called ene. This is also prop 1 ene. This is also prop 2 ene. Next that the IUPAC name prop 2 ene. And next N equal to 4 occur is a C4H 2 into 4. So C4H8. So first possible supply 4 carbon enter. So first carbon atom double bond possible. At the second isomers possible. Second carbon atom double bond enter. So other carbon atom single bond. So next possible third carbon atom double bond possible. So 2 isomers is in the butene. IUPAC name already known, 4 carbon but. So double bond present ene, butene. follow that the 1 butene, 2 butene, 3 butene, 1 butene, 1 butene or but, second carbon atom present, 1 2 second carbon atom present. So right to left is the number of possible of IUPAC name rules, and but 2 ene and but 3 ene. Follow that already 2 carbon present, so balance 2 only possible CH2, already 3 bond present, so only hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, so already 2 bond here, so 2 hydrogen only present is considered 4, so 1 bond, so hydrogen is 3. So same the rules that the 1 bond is also here, hydrogen is 3, so that 3 bond, so only 1 hydrogen, so 3 bond only 1 hydrogen, so single bond, so 3 hydrogen. So compared to the bond order based, easily IUPAC return the short form method. So 2 bond here, carbon bond order 4, so upper balance 2 hydrogen atoms, so total bond order 4. So 1 2 3 bond order here, so balance 1, so 1 hydrogen atom attached the that carbon, so 2 bonded here, so balance 2 bond, so 2 hydrogen atom present. So single bond of the carbon atom, bond order 4, so 4 minus 3 hydrogen atom present. So double bond mentioned, the first carbon double bond is but 1 ene, but 1 ene or 1 butene, and second carbon means double bond but 2 ene, third carbon means but 3 ene. Is the next class discuss alkyne IUPAC name. Thank you students.